We need to work towards this idea of the error-friendly organisation. And that means we want leaders to go first. Now, this is an image of leaders going into a hazardous situation. And in this context, the hazard is being vulnerable. What we want to do is role model vulnerability so that people feel that they can share that they've made a mistake or that they see a mistake. And study after study, Amy Edmondson is famous for this, other more recent studies have occurred in healthcare situations where when people feel safe to speak up, then the environment is error friendly, and leaders need to go first with this vulnerability.